Hi everyone, this is Rafael, and I'm gonna be doing this tutorial for brief exercise 12.6. So it says the comparative balance sheets for waterway industries show these changes in non-cash current asset accounts. Accounts receivable decreased, prepaid expenses increased, and inventories increased. Compute net cash provided by operating activities using the indirect method, assuming that net income is 181,600. Okay, so this is key when you are reading. You need to look at this. It says net cash provided by operating activities. That's what we're working on. Okay, so we're gonna start with so we're looking at the cash flows from operating activities. That's what we need to do. And the first value we're going to enter is our net income, 181,600. And then adjustments to reconcile net income to net cash provided by operating activities. So it's very nice. There you go. Now we have accounts receivable. It says that it decreased 79,400. If accounts receivable decrease, is because the company received money that other companies were owing or customers were owing. So that means that I'm gonna put here decrease in account receivable, and it's gonna be positive because received money. So 79,400. And then there was an increase in prepaid expenses. So we're gonna find increase in prepaid expenses. And now, so it was an increase in prepaid expenses. That means that, let's show the source. So we go here, we'll see that increases in prepaid expenses are negative. And if it was a decrease, then it would be positive. So increasing, decreasing in prepaid expenses will be 30. Oh, my bad. Negative 30,400. And then inventories increase. That's gonna be negative 2. Increase in inventories, negative 42,600. Now we're just gonna add these values. 79,400 minus 3,400 minus 42,600, and that gives us a 6,400 change. So here we're looking for the net cash provided by operating activities. Now we're gonna add the net income and the value that we got from the adjustment. So that is 6,400 plus 181,600, and we get $188,000. Submit the answer, and it's correct. So thank you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and I'll be checking all week, trying to help with this exercise and with any other questions that you might have. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great time learning this week.